brand new property at 49 Jellicoe Road. So that's number 1, number 2 and number 3 still for sale. 3 bedrooms, or you can say 2 plus a study. One of the bedroom is smaller. So internal access garage, laundry in the corner there. 1 bedroom downstairs. Shower, toilet. Some storage. So 1 bedroom downstairs and kitchen over there. Dining lounge combined. Those nice lights on the steps. Got a nice, got a heat pump. Nice backyard deck. Some yard at the back. Good view from here. And then 2 bedrooms upstairs. So 1 beddy. And then the other one. This is a smaller one, so 2 plus study. Fully tiled. Alright, give me a call if you're interested in buying brand new houses. Low 7s. Thank you for watching.